Hi everyone, welcome to the Stack Data Structure tutorial series. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to implement a stack using Python. In the second video, I will show you how to use stacks to solve problems. Basically, a stack is a linear data structure that follows the last in, first out method. This means that the last element in the stack is the first element to be removed. To understand a stack, you can think of a collection of books as a stack. When you add a book to the stack, it will be added on the top. But when you remove a book from the stack, you will take the last book. A stack basically has four main methods. The first one is push, which adds an element to the stack. The second one is pop, which removes the element from the stack. And then we have pick, which looks for the last element from the stack without changing anything. And then size, which shows you how many elements are in the stack. To create a stack, I'm going to create a new class and call it a stack. We are going to use a constructor here for adding some properties. So here I am defining two properties. The first one is storage for storing the elements of the stack, and the second one is count for counting the number of elements in the stack. So the first method I want to implement is push method. For push, we will store this new element as a key value pair, with the key being the size and the value being the new element itself. I will increment the value of count by 1. For the pop method, first we need to check whether the stack is empty or not. If it is empty, we want to return none. If the stack is not empty, we want to remove the last element in the stack and return it. So we're going to use a temporary value for storing the removed value. The reason for using count minus 1 is because we started with 0. So I am going to delete it from the storage. Then I am going to return it. For the pick method, I also want to check if the stack is empty. If it's empty, I will return none. Otherwise, I will return the last element in the stack. For the size method, I'll just return the value of count. So to test if this is working, I am gonna run this in the terminal. In the terminal, I am going to create a new stack of numbers. I will push 100. I will also push 200. If I pick, I am gonna get 200. If I pop, I am also going to get 200, but if I pick again, I am gonna get 100. So the reason I'm getting an error here, it's because I forgot to decrement the count value in the pop method. So I am gonna go ahead and do that. I am gonna run this in the terminal again. I'm gonna push 100. I'm also going to push 200. So if I pick, I should get 200. If I pop, I'm gonna get 200 as well. If I pick again, I'm gonna get 100. Okay. Alright guys, this is the end of the first part of the tutorial. In the second video, I will show you how to solve some problems using stacks. Please, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.